Okay, welcome back to Physics for Engineer. This is your JBT, Chemistry and Engineering tutorial. Okay, may problem po tayong dapat i-review, practicein, pag-aralan. Find the power output of the engine of a 1,200 kilogram car while a car accelerates from 30 to 100 kilometer per hour in 10 seconds. Okay, so 10 seconds lang. Hanapin na natin yung power, no? Yung power nito. So, ang solution natin dyan, siyempre, convert muna natin yung ah, 30 at saka 100 kilometers per hour into meter per seconds. So, sorry, we will do that, right? So, velocity 1, okay, is equal to 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, per hour yan. And then multiplied by 1,000 kilometers per hour. So in 1,000 meter, there is 1 kilometer. Okay, km over in 3,600 seconds, there is 1 hour. Okay, and what will happen is this kilometer here and the kilometer here is cancelled out, and the r here and the r here is cancelled out. What we have left is, of course, meter per seconds is the unit, and the number is 8.33. So our velocity 2 is equal to 100 kilometers per hour. We will do the same thing. Okay, this is easy, it's just a conversion. And in 1,000 meter, you will have 1 kilometer. Okay, and in 3,600 seconds, you will have 1 hour. So cancel out kilometer, and cancel out the r here and the r there. And this is equal actually to 27.78 meter per seconds. Okay, so we have that, and we move forward. So, uh, what we do next is the work. No? The work of the engine must do the work of the work. No? The work the engine must do to accelerate the car from V1 to V2 is equal to the change in the kinetic energy. Okay, so if you have if you have V1 in this area, and this is 30 kilometers per hour, after a while, okay, go fast from 30 to 100 kilometers in 10 seconds, okay, you will achieve this V2. V2 will travel it in only 10 seconds. Okay, time. Okay, okay, so in other words, the work of the engine must, okay, the work of the engine must do to accelerate the car from this V1 to V2 is equal to the change of the car's kinetic energy. Okay, yun yung work. So work is equal to kinetic energy 2 minus kinetic energy 1. Okay, and that's going to be equal to, siyempre yung 1/2 mass, okay, V2 square minus 1/2 m or mass or V1 square, right? So let's continue. What you're gonna do now is simplify it. Okay, alisin mo yung common, no? So ang common dyan is 1/2 at yung m, okay? And then you will have V2 square minus V1 square, okay? So what you do now is you plug in the value. Plug in the value, that's going to be 1,200 kilogram. That's the weight of your car. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, and then your velocity, we have already calculated that, right? So that is what the V2 is equal to 27.78, right? Meter per seconds. This is square minus 8.33 meter per seconds square. Okay, so let's move to the next slide and continue. So in other words, if we crank in, right, those value our work. This is, what is this? Wait, sorry for that. What's happening? I'm too excited to write W. So W is what? 4.21 times 10 raise mo sa 5. This is Joule. Okay? So ngayon, ang gagawin natin, the power needed to provide this amount of work in time when t is equal to 10 seconds is simply, ay ganito, when your time, not temperature but time, is equal to 10 seconds, okay, what you got is this formula. The power, no? Napasimple lang. Power is equal to work over time. So, work natin is what? 4.21 times 10 raise plus mo na 5 is joule over 10 seconds. So joule over seconds is what? That is in watt. So you will have 42.1 kilowatt. Okay? And that is the answer. So that is the answer. No? So pwede mo palang isolve. Pwede mong masolve. Okay, yung power. Kapag alam mo yung bigat ng sasakyan, alam mo yung gusto mong initial na velocity at final velocity, at alam mo kung kailan yung time na kailangan mong i-achieve to get there at 100 100 kilometer per hour in 10 seconds, at ang sasakyan mo is yan ang bigat. So you'll be able to predict the power of your engine using this data and the principle of kinetic energy and work. And that is the beauty of mathematics. So that's all for this video. Kung kayo po ay na-stumble at napanood nyo ito, nagustuhan po natin, paki-like po at paki-subscribe na rin, paki-share na rin. Salamat po. God bless.